Dafliad gan Cartwright i Derwyddon Evans. Gwaith da gan Evans mewn troi pŵl. Groesiad yn ei dda teg at James Davies wedi dal y rydd. Cyfle Davies, tackle la gan Danny Holmes. Mae'n ôl gan Arsan. Mae dal yno ar draws. Mae rhydd i Davies. O, sut ar ddi fethodd yr cyfle yna. Cyfle ar ôl cyfle yn y cwrt Cosby a James Davies. Efallai sa dy well defnyddio droed chwith. I Danny Holmes. Allan i Becari. Becari'n torri ar draws Arsan. Mae Kershaw di llithro. Becari ar ergyd! A mae chwip o ergyd gan Michael Becari. 3 munud i chwarae yn yr ail hanner. 7fad o'r tymor i Becari. Ail yn erbyn Derwyddon Cefn. Ond y bwysicach mae'r tîm ar y brig ar y blaen. Evans cisio fynd heibio i Wilson. Ar y ddiwrnod mae hwn yn chwaraewr da. Disgyn i Rittenberg ar ei droed chwith ar ergyd! Yn fflachio heibio i John Danby. Clincar o gol gan Dean Rittenberg. Derwyddon Cefn 1. Cei Connah 1. Fyny sy'n gael Wild. Waith da gan Cartwright, Derwyddon Evans. Ar draws i Mwdimu. Ar ergyd gan Mwdimu, yna mae bell chwaith. O, Danby ar flaenau draed. Wedi gweld Rittenberg yn sgorio. Yw 4 munud yn ôl, ac yn ôl, mae'n werth cynnig. Danny Holmes, teg at Wignall. Cisio troi Arsan. Holmes di mynd o'i amgylch. Holmes dal yno, o Wignall dal i fynd allan â hi teg at Holmes. Sy'n mynd cael mi ar draws Kershaw yn y cwrt Cosby. A mae'n cael ei faglu, mae'n gic o'r smotyn. Dim amheuaeth gan y dyfarnwr Iwan Gruffydd. Munud ath Kershaw i'r llawr. Danny Holmes cael ei faglu. Awr ar y cloc. Morris yn ebyn Jones. A mae Callum Morris wedi rhoi Cei Connah yn ôl ar y blaen. 9fed o'r tymor iddo fo. Ond yn bwysicach i dîm Andy Morrison. Maen nhw wedi mynd yn ôl ar y blaen yma ar y graig. Ymlaen teg at James Davies. Wilson sydd yn o gyntaf. Allan i Becari. Erbeniad ymlaen i Andy Owen sy'n troi. Ac yn cisio i ddau Becari. Mae Peter Grismonach yn fydd Becari. A cael ei faglu. O! Diar mi. Iwan Gruffydd. Mi oedd hwnna'n gico'r smotyn. Becari'n cael ei faglu. Andy? Another 3 points keeps you at the top of the league?
Yeah, it's a great win. It's always very difficult here. You know, Hugh always sets his teams up well. They're always, you know, they never have a night off. You know, there's games sometimes where you think, no, that was relatively easy. They didn't turn up, but his teams never don't turn up. They're always at it, and they've got lads who are comfy on the ball. And but you know, for me, it's the right result. You know, I thought we dominated the ball possession-wise in the first half, although we had a couple of scares, one second balls that dropped in the box, but you know, a little bit more quality and a little bit more guile in the first half, and you know, we'd have probably made it an easier evening. You go 1-0 up, which was a terrific goal, and it was coming because of the way, you know, we were moving the ball really well and creating overloads and 2-on-1s out wide, and then you know, you get a 25-yarder on the half volley with his left foot. I mean, it's, you know, it was a fantastic strike, but you know, you'll get one of them every 3 seasons, and so that was quite hard to take, you know, but we got back into it. It's a penalty. I'd like you to show the second one and have a look at that, because, you know, for me it's a penalty, but, you know, I'll let you decide on that.
Na, dwi'n reit proud o fe bechgyn, maen nhw wedi rhoi ymdrech da heddiw. A does na ddim lot rhwng y ddau dîm, ond y peth pwysig rwan ydy cael y pwyntiau ar y bord ma de.
Ia, wrth gwrs, 5 games sy'n ewan tam ar Gynghrair yn holli. Dechrau ymlaen 6 isaf fyddwch chi?
Ie, dwi'n meddwl mae'n mathematig rwan, math ni cael y gen ni y seintiau newydd dros Nadolig a'r blwyddyn newydd. So, ie, mae ddim yn edrych yn dda arni ni. Ond, rhaid ni gael gymaint o pwyntiau mynd ni rwan tan y diwedd. Symud ymlaen at Aberystwyth dy Gwener nesaf.
Gem mae bwysig yn dod ar gyfnod Nadolig Aberystwyth wythnos nesaf, a 2 gem yn erbyn y seintiau newydd.
Ie, yn wedig yn erbyn Aberystwyth wythnos nesaf, rhaid ni mynd yna trio gael y 3 pwynt. A wedyn fel chi wedi dweud, 2 gêm yn erbyn TNS a just gobeithio gael beth yn ei gallu.
Might be daft question, you might answer. Can you win the league?
I think it's going to. I think it's very difficult. I think it'll be difficult for Connah's Quay to win the league. I think it'll be very difficult for Barry to win the league. But I do believe that TNS could lose the league.